just a quick update on this high quality, very budget friendly Bluetooth headset from Treblab E3. You won't want to miss this. Hey, what happened? I don't hear stereo. I'm only hearing mono. I'm Rick, and this shut the heck up, you stinking boosters. Nailed that for your sanity. This is the shack. Hey everybody, welcome. Hey, if you're new to the channel, first time stopping by, thank you so much for taking some of your time out to view. I always ask that you would consider subscribing, and if you do, ring that bell down there so you're notified when the videos do come out. Give it a thumbs up, like it, and share. It definitely helps the channel. Yes, this is a quick update on this fantastic, budget-friendly, super high quality. Yeah, let's get real. I actually needed a new headset, so I started looking online for a replacement headset. During this time, I was contacted by Treblab. I thought, you know, this is perfect timing. Sure. They were about $80. Like, you know, that's about what I'm looking at. I want to go maybe 100. I really don't want to go any higher than 125. So this is a good budget friendly, because for me, what I do, I'm not working outside. I'm not going to the gym wearing these. What I need a headset for is listening to my computer as I'm editing my videos, and I want the ability to get up, walk into the kitchen, grab something to drink, and continue to listen, because when I do my videos, I listen to them 6 or 7 times before I even produce them on YouTube. So I just need a headset that I can hear this stuff. I don't want a mic, I have no use for it. I already bought an external mic when I have to do an occasional voiceover. So I just need a good quality, budget-friendly headset. When I got these, I thought they were pretty decent. I actually liked the look of them. They were pretty cool. During the charging process was the beginning of a bunch of domino effect, I guess, if you want to call it that. You know, it's a bunch of steps that started happening. First thing was the little chargers, so like 1.5V or whatever, I forget what it is, that you get when you have an Apple phone. And this is based on Apple product. I don't have Google, Pixel, Android, any of those, so I can only base my opinion on what I have as far as Apple products. Using that little plug that comes with your phone, when I plugged it in to charge it, it got hot and shut down. I never had that little charger get so hot it tripped. That was the first issue. So I contacted the rep, said, I don't know what happened, but it shut it down. This thing must draw an awful lot or something. I don't know how that part works, but it didn't work. So when I plugged it into my outlet, because I have converted a few wall outlets in my house with the added capability of USB plugs, as you see here. So I plugged it into that, and it charged fine, no issue. But I gave it a second chance. I wanted to make sure it wasn't a fluke. So a week later, after they had ran down the charge, I recharged them with that same thing in I think I gave it 5 minutes, it was already getting hot. So I unplugged that, and I have another one from my iPad that is a 12-watt adapter. Plugged it into that, plugged it into the wall, and it was fine, never got hot. So I told her, I don't know, your website says this, but as far as Apple is concerned, maybe you're basically just doing this product on the Android platform, but Apple, it doesn't work. You have to have, I would say, 10-watt or higher adapter. Don't even plug them in unless you got a wall outlet like I have. So that was the first issue. Of course, she came back, okay, I'll let my R&D people know, you know, maybe they can figure something out, maybe something changed, we don't know. And I told her I have an 8 Plus iPhone. I haven't upgraded, I have no need to yet. That was the last contact I had with her. During the setup process, going through the setup with Bluetooth, because I did not have Bluetooth on my computer, I had to add that little I don't forget what they call it, little plug-in, USB plug-in that makes your computer Bluetooth compatible now. Hooked that up, went through this fine, hooked great, but when it came to connecting to my phone, we had more issues. Main issue was in the directions per Treblab, you push the plus, I think it was plus or minus button, hold it for a couple of seconds, and it's supposed to activate your voice command on your phone. It doesn't matter if it's Siri, if it's Karen, Lisa, Rhonda, whatever you got on your phone, it's supposed to activate that so you can just click this and say, you know, I call whoever or check the weather or give me directions, you know. It wouldn't work. I tried and I tried and I tried. Nothing worked. By chance, I hit the button, just playing with it, saying, how can I get this to work? I hit the button twice, click, click, bing. How can I help you? Siri was activated, so I relayed that info to them. Still no reply. So there's a lot of little things in the initial startup, little things that happen. The way I rate items, if it does what it says to do, fantastic. That's a 4-star. If it exceeds my expectation, that's the only time I give it 5. I gave these 3.5 or 2.5, 2.5 or 3.5, right? Because of some of the issues I had, because the directions were not applicable to my Apple product. It did not work as stated. So I knocked them down, and that's just the truth of the matter. That's just the way it is. A week after, and I notified them that I put the video out, a week later, and I grab them by grabbing the ear cup on both sides, lift them open, and just take them off my head. I'm not spraying them out like this. I'm not being destructive or mishandling in any way. And this is the picture. When I did that on this, boom, the left side broke off. There's a post on the headset right here. I'll show you this one. Here's a picture of it. It looks like that. That post completely broke off the headset. I tried to re-glue with super glue, didn't work. Ended up going down, buying some JB Weld, put it on, let it dry for 3 days before I attempted to put it back together, and it held. It's still holding. I am not trying to blow smoke up your bum holio. I am telling you the truth. 3 days after I assembled it back together and using it, same thing. I grabbed them by the ear cup, open up, snap. Are you freaking shitting me, man? Really? I only got a trash can to throw these in. I am done. Treblab would not respond. I sent them pictures when it first broke. Maybe it was a flaw in production. Seriously, come on. Where's the communication here? Nothing. Glued it. Told them, you know, that's too bad you treat me like this because I am a potential customer. I may have, not that I'm a huge channel, I may have 4 or 5 people that see this and may consider buying your product, and because you know you got a crap product. They did not reply back. I sent them another picture telling them, you know what, I am done with your product. You have not responded to my concerns. You did not respond when this thing broke, and you did not respond when the damn thing broke again. Oh my goodness. Seriously? If you had an ounce that your product was decent, you would have said, you know what, let's send you another set just in case that was a production flaw, and we'll check the model number. Maybe, you know, it could be something in that lot. You never know. No, nothing. So I am done with this crap, and I'm telling you right now, these are a -5 star. Look at that. And the other one broke off already. Trash. Junk. Don't waste your time, don't waste your energy. If you want to see anything about that, and you really don't need to see it, they're junk. If you want to see the original video I did on that, click up here. It is strictly for those who watch this and may want to know exactly what the problems were if they have an Apple, so you can understand, do not buy it. But you don't need to really watch that video, because proof is in the pudding right here. I am not telling you a lie. You see these are broke, they're junk. The way they are connected to the headband is terrible, absolutely terrible, and it is a severely weak point. I don't care who these other people are on the Amazon and the views, because if they get them for free, who's to say they even get them? They just want it because they want to have people watch that video, direct to Amazon, buy the product, and they get a kickback on it. I don't work that way. I'm going to tell you if it's good or bad. I have a complete unbiased opinion, and that's why my first initial overall review was only 3.5, I think it was 2.5 or 3.5 stars, because they weren't that good, because I had issues charging them and setting them up. Straight to the point, that's how I am. And they don't like it because I don't say it in a loving, sweet, sugar-coated manner. No, I'm sorry, I'm not that way. This is the way it is, plain and simple. I am very blunt. People can't handle that a lot of times, but too bad, that's who I am. Don't buy them. This was a quick update. These are absolute trash. You know what? Ooh. I just thought of something. I'm going to go out, I'm going to go shooting, I'm going to hang these up. I may even film that. That'll be something. I'm going to blow each of these pieces of junk away for my satisfaction. If you stand at all behind your product, you will respond. You would have replaced them just to see, as I've already stated, just in case there was a flaw in that light. It does happen. That's real life. Nothing to be ashamed of. Sometimes it happens. But to completely disconnect from me, say nothing because it's not going in your favor, that right there says a lot of your character. So do not even think twice about Treblab products. Bypass them, get something else. I know it's rough, but personally I am looking my hardest to find stuff that is not made in China. Nothing. I actually had a faucet company contact me because one of my videos was replacing faucet. They asked if I would do a video on them. They would send me a free faucet. They're like $130, $140. I immediately responded and asked them, where are these items manufactured? They're manufactured in China. We have this. Nope. That's all I need to know. I responded, thank you, but I do not support China. I will not buy anything unless absolutely necessary, because there ain't no other option will I buy anything from China. That's where the shack stands. That's my rant on these. I can't wait. I am actually excited. I want to go out and shoot these now. Boom, baby! That's my redemption. That's going to be fun. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back check for your sanity. Get you a quality headset, but don't get Treblab crap. See you next video. Hey, I don't hear no more. What happened? Hello? Hello? Look like earrings. God, these are junk!